How do you choose between these two cakes?
You don't. You take both. Like, they're not going to be big.
Which one's mine?
You're going to have both, right? Well,
Yeah.
What? Oh, you guys. It's not even my birthday and I'm tearing up.
this is all Brian's idea. He's such a softie.
I had no idea.
Happy birthday, love.
Happy birthday, Walt.
Thanks, guys. That's awesome.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Walter. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, guys.
And many more.
Maybe one more.
Good morning, guys. Thank you so very much for taking the time out and tuning in and checking out what we have to offer today. It is a dreary, drizzly kind of day, but regardless, we are heading out. We are celebrating Walter's birthday. It was yesterday. Happy birthday, baby. We have Rod, we have Brian, we have Nick, and we have Ryder. I don't know if you can see Ryder in there. But anyways, we hope you enjoy what you see. Thanks for checking us out, and we'll catch you in a bit.
FLM radio check, Rod in the green JL, Nick in the white JK.
Walter Joanne, Army Green Tacoma.
Brian and Ryder in the voodoo blue. Well, I don't think should have come up a little bit.
Oh my God. We got to air back up.
What were you saying, Walter?
Is it gonna go around?
About airing up and airing down 10 times a day?
That's exactly what I was just telling you about.
Plan B?
Here we go with plan B again, Nick.
Look out late, looking pretty good.
Oh, well, this is pretty.
It is, actually.
It's actually really pretty.
It's cool.
If you ever want to go for big trout, that's one of the best places to go.
I think I might have been there as a kid, but I don't think obviously I haven't been there as an adult.
I worked with a buddy and he caught a 12-pound cutthroat.
Holy.
It was as fast as it was long. Now, I would like to see a picture of that one. I've never heard of cutthroat in the lower mainland that big. Well, that's only because there's a fish farm there, and that little guy is hanging out under the nets. Well, now that makes sense. They're probably well fed. Yeah, we measured him. He was as long as he was. His circumference was the same as his length. Just gonna stop here for a sec.
All right.
I've been up here. Yeah, offers probably a little bit of a view of Alouette, hey? I didn't go up very far, but it does keep going from what I know. Let's go check it out.
Looks like it would have been a killer view if there was no fog.
That looks like that would have been a nice view. There's some fun stuff in here.
Yeah. Oh. Just a small little minor pit stop to do a quick cleanup. Poor Ryder may have got some motion sickness. We'll be good to go shortly. If you're here watching right now, do us a huge favor. We are looking to grow, and we would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. We are hoping to get to 1,000. Give us a hand. All right, looks like we are doing a turnaround.
Actually, you want to pull up a bit, and then I'll back in where Brian is, and then basically I'll take the lead down.
Some cool rock.
It is actually, I didn't even notice it until you brought it up.
Well, I don't like this sign.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Okay, so here we go. We have hit another gate, another dead end. We have to turn around. I don't know, what are we on, plan E, F? Not too sure what the next action will be. Maybe we'll just go find somewhere to have a fire, have some lunch. It's getting a little on in the day. Yeah, it's been fun. We hope you enjoy what you've been seeing. Let's see where we end up next.
So I can set up the condiments if that one.
Oh,
Kindling and everything. Oh, look at you.
Good old Brian to the rescue.
That's some expensive wood right there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, work was paying me to cut it up.
Nice.
All three of them, they're just in tears, like, can we please get a dog? Can we please? Everybody's got a dog. And I mean, we're just like, my wife finally goes, okay, here's the dog that we're gonna get. She lays it all out. I don't want hair anywhere, non-allergenic, all of that, like good temperament, blah, blah, blah. Right, and so we get a dog, and our oldest has moved out already.
yeah.
We've had the dog for coming up to 6 years, and this
All
year.
the kids are doing their own thing.
Oh, yeah.
And you can take care of
And
that.
we have a dog. My wife and I have a dog.
But you
Dog
love
sleeps on
her.
our bed. Do not get a.
You love the dog though.
Sure. I really like the dog, but I could easily be without the dog. My wife loves our dog.
Yeah.
She's not a dog person at all,
Yeah.
but she loves our dog.
Go lay in the rain.
But and of course now it's like, and now it's, we have the dog, so it's not like, you know, it's, now you've chosen to adopt this thing, and it's like your kid. So
Yeah.
you're not giving it back.
Yeah.
You're not finding a new home for it.
No, 100%.
So now we have a dog.
Yeah, those broths gonna take a while.
They take longer than the Smokies?
Oh yeah.
These things are pretty much pre-cooked.
Yeah,
aren't they?
Smokies.
But a brat's not.
Broths have to be cooked.
The seriousness of cooking hot dogs. Hi, Ryder. And this would be...
Can you read that? We all need glasses, hey?
Caramel toffee cake, triple layer.
Oh, what's that one? Okay.
That's a 5-inch chocolate cake.
Wow.
That's 6 inches. What are you talking about?
That's amazing.
Sorry, Joanne. I had to do it.
Dude. It's all good. Do you know who who I live with.
Apparently we're finding out.
I lie about size all the time.
Is there a spot where it comes apart, or?
Is it wrapped?
Oh, it's.
Oh, wow.
Dun dun dun. Oh my God.
Those are beautiful cakes.
Those are awesome.
Here. Thank you. Yes. Get those out of the way. Wow.
You guys are so simple.
Yeah.
Wow. I bought
truly
cakes.
Are.
I bought cakes.
You didn't just buy cakes.
You didn't, and the thing is, you didn't have to do it.
I
You
wanted
did.
to. This would be something my wife would do. She'd be like, "Oh, you're going for a birthday party? You're going for a birthday run? Well,
Get that tail away from there.
yeah. All right, Walt. Which
That
one
is-
do you want?
That is so
Besides both.
sweet.
Actually, he doesn't shake dry.
The caramel.
What?
I will
I
definitely
noticed
try
he
the
doesn't
caramel.
sit there and shake dry. Like every time my dog would be out there, he'd be shaking every time he came underneath him. To get,
You know, it's funny because usually at home, you let him out, he'll go out there and be like, shit, it's raining. Right back inside.
How do you choose between these two cakes?
You don't. You take both. Like they're not going to be big.
which one's mine?
You're going to have both, right? Walt?
Yeah.
What? Oh, you guys. It's not even my birthday and I'm tearing up.
This is all Brian's idea. He's such a softie.
I have no idea.
Happy birthday, love.
Happy birthday, Walt.
Thanks, guys. That's awesome.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Walter. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, guys.
And many more.
Maybe one more.
Oh, you guys are so awesome. Delicious.
We'll be buying that one for sure.
Which one?
You know those ones when you always say, I wish I could try a piece so I don't have to buy the whole cake? We would buy the whole cake.
The
of that.
caramel one?
I'll have one piece.
Okay. Joe, you want
That's
both?
the drama.
Joanna,
Yes, absolutely.
I'll hold it.
Okay.
I got
Thank you.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
I got a spare one.
Thank you.
Nick, which
Oh,
one
I
do you
want
want?
the toffee thing, please.
Toffee?
Caramel
Are you
toffee?
sure? I can
Oh,
hold it now.
no, I can multitask.
I won't eat it, I promise.
Brian? Both?
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, so there it is. Thanks for coming along on this quick little day trip. I really want to thank Brian, Nick, Rod, and Joanne for making my birthday a little longer and extending it into today, and making a lunch happen, just hanging out with friends happen. It was like wicked. It was I don't even know what to say. It was absolutely awesome. I love the community that we're a part of as far as what we do. The people are amazing, and they really make you feel good. So as we're driving out, I just want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments. I got it.
Woohoo!
Nice.
Nice.
Bye guys.